Hello folks, Jed Bratt here, the Real Estate Jedi with Big Block Realty. I wanted to give you a quick another seller tip on making more money on your sale. If you ignore everything else we tell you to do when we are helping you list your property and get absolute top dollar for your property, don't ignore this one. Clean your home. Get a professional cleaner out to your property. I cannot tell you how much of a difference it makes when a buyer walks into a property and it smells even like Clorox as opposed to some musty pet smell or anything else. Cleaning is one of the things that's going to make you the most money in your property if you do nothing else. So, sounds silly, sounds crazy. Get a cleaner in there, wipe down the dust off the baseboards, get the light bulbs in the bathroom. Just clean the thing. Get off the watermarks from the mirror. Make it feel like it's a fresh property a buyer can move into. That's our money tip for the day. If you have any other questions, go to therealestatejedi.com or give me a call at 619-750-2751. Let's talk about how the Real Estate Jedi can help you get top dollar for your property. Jed Bratt, the Real Estate Jedi, signing out.